Hi everybody, here we go. Okay, I'm Dave, yep, this is Mia. Okay, and we're taking the sections, like I said, we're gonna do bronze, silver, gold. We're gonna start with the steps. Then the next section, we're gonna do the rhythms, and then last section, connection. Okay, so to start, this is just gonna be the steps. Very, very basic, get those going first. And what's gonna happen, we're doing this to a single time swing or a single time swing jitterbug, which this dance is done to the fast tempo music. It has a single step, and a rock step so that you can do it to fast tempo. If we'd slow it down, we'd do a triple tempo, which we'll do some other time. But right now, single time, let's get you going. Okay, to start, I'm gonna start do the leaders part. Thank you, Mia. And then Mia will come on and show the followers part, okay? So, leaders, number one, basic step. All you have to do, first of all, the one thing you're gonna do, we're not getting into a lot of rhythm and technique and everything, but to make yourself dance, at least bend your knees. Those have to be bent to dance. Dancing does not happen up here unless you're doing ballet, and we're not doing ballet because we have a partner. We want to have some nice rhythm between that partner. Bend your knees, right, just go up and down a little, feel that a little bit, see that? Boom, and just stay there. Boom, right there, and it just stays the whole time. That'll help later on create your rhythm, okay? Now, we're just gonna take the steps, okay? So leaders, okay, you're gonna be this way, and we're gonna start with the left foot and just take a little side step. Step, step, then a back step. Okay, side, side, back step. Now the timing for that is slow, slow, quick, quick. Slows have 2 counts of music, quicks have 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And in swing music, you have to remember, the beat normally is on the second beat. So you hear swing go 1, 2, 1, 2. The emphasized beat is the second beat. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Rock step. Okay. So that is the basic, and we're just going to be open right now. Single hand hold. We're not going to close up yet. Okay. And Mia will show you the follows part. Followers, I bent the knees a little bit and start with the basic step. Just a little sideways, slow, slow. Rock step, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, okay? Now, Mia, would you turn around? And so, followers, you can just follow right there. Ready, go. Step, step, and rock step, 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 rock step. Slow, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Step, step, rock step. And there you have it, okay? And that's it for each part. Now, we'll just do it a little bit together. And right now, to make it easy, we're just going to do it in open position, okay, just like this. So we're just gonna take this hand, okay, leader's thumb on top, lightly, everything is nice and light and loose, not real heavy, okay, and all we do, connection, is just keep our fingers a little bit cupped, and that's all we need, okay? So we don't squeeze the hand, we just cup here so we can pull the fingertips. If I give her a push, it just pushes into her knuckles, okay? Nice and comfortable. So we just do the same thing. Step, step, rock step. Now when you go back, of course, this hand will have to come out a little bit because you're both going away from each other. Boom, boom, right. And don't take a big rock step. Music's gonna get fast. So when you do it, just take a small one, and try not to lean back with it, because again, when it gets fast, you don't have time to do that. So keep your feet underneath you. Quick, quick, 1, 2. Quick, quick. We'll do it from here. Step, step, rock step, 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 rock step, 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 rock step, 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 rock step. And we'll do it one time from here. And step, step, or offset. Now when you do it, you'll be right in front of each other, okay? We're just offset so you can see both partners doing it. Step, step, rock step, boom, boom. There it is, okay? Practice that and we'll come back with the underarm turn. Thanks everybody.
Bye, see you in the next episode.